So today I'm at the Riverside Museum, crossing the new bridge. See if it's any good, try and get a shot while the sun's out, because it's not been too sunny lately. This is the first bit of sun in about a week here in sunny Scotland. So I'm going to try and get a shot. So far it's only working at portrait mode. I've got one there, long exposure. ND filters on. I'll stitch these two together. I've got my polarizer on as well. We'll see if that works out. I've got a stronger ND filter with me. I might try that as well. Get a longer exposure. So I'll get a go. See what happens. Get a better view of the bridge from here. Many people, as long as they don't stop too still. There's the Transport Museum, the ship. So I might do a wee panel. See if it turns out. So there's my composition. If you can see it, that's the first picture. First picture I've took, and that was at 30 seconds, ISO 50, f11. So I'm going to turn it around a bit now. We'll go over to the right, turn it around so that I'll get a picture for there to maybe 3 stack panel. We'll see if that works. So took another exposure there and 200 a second. Just to try and get the flag still. So hopefully that works out, and I'll put that together. And I've done a wee panel. Panorama. Back away. That's long exposure. That's the faster of the two. And we'll try and put these together, try and get something out here. It's one picture anyway, so we'll have a go. We'll see what else I can photograph. Well, this is a shot I've set up here. I've zoomed in a wee bit, obviously, to cut out the pillars there. So this is another 30-second exposure. ISO is 50. And that's the ship. The Transport Museum. I'll go over that side, but I'm shooting about there, basically. Long exposures, get some movement in the clouds. So that turns out. Hopefully it turns out. I'll let you see it. So that's me done at this side. I'll go to that side of the bridge. See if there's anything for that side, looking back to before I go back out of the bridge towards the Transport Museum. Take the usual pictures are there. Turn them black and white. See if it works out. Right, throwing everything about here. Well, I wouldn't say there's anything here to photograph this way. It's all a bit messy. Nothing really. It's a nice bridge, but I don't know, there's just nothing there. So I've got another picture for here. Portrait. See if it turns out. Maybe do a 2 stack. There and there. Try and get the ship in as well. Wee panoramic. Right, so I'm here outside the Transport Museum. The ship's in the reflection. I'm taking a wee long exposure, 30 seconds, f9, ISO 50. We'll see if it turns out. There we go, shots there. There. Nice and clean. So for this shot we're going to be a 3-stitch probably. So I'm starting for this wee bit here, the wee triangle where it meets the flare there obviously, as a lead in, and then I'll be here, and then the third shot will be up, and get it all in. We'll see how that works out.